So everybody I go on, everybody forget a beating over TikTok. But me I tell you no, I wanna no come beat me. Beat me down there. Me don't know when I'm in next show, but when you meet me when I'm in next show and come blood clot beat me. I don't know we see. And I like one pussy clot time. And who cause this a brother make people have to travel with be a police. People have to travel with license firearm holder. I don't think so. Them I get paid for nothing. Beat me when you see me myself on a raw gunshot. I must feel like I say, me now go travel with good security and make them know say a gunshot. If you see a boy bomb buckler fuck with me. If you don't give them gunshot and I got blood clot get it. Oh. Because I feel like I say everybody a pussy clot. I don't know everybody know. I see as TikTok I have fun. But as me say, them a wait for the whole that we get beaten. I don't know, might feel like I say, oh I don't know when them a wait for to get beaten. Wait until you get beaten and now see. If I'm me alone, them a wait for to get it. Brother, everybody like we. Jamaica TikTok is not like American TikTok. You know, say we alone they don't want to go no, I know. You know, say we alone they don't want to go on TikTok fest. Because they know Jamaican stay. I'm about to not read up that day. Only smart people read certain things, bro. Only people who sit down and observe read certain things. People who just jump in a conclusion and jump for hate people, them they read up things. They no put we in a live fest, dog, because they know how we stay, brother. A history Jamaican create, you know, from bad minding and corruption, you know. So it now go done. It always did it. It always did it. And any content creator you see on TikTok, they are Jamaica and I do content and I do TikTok. They now go really make it out entertainment or comedian world. We're going to get fight against by our own people. So the only time you can become something out of TikTok. Because yesterday I see a girl was start, first thing what she said to me, you know, say, you like him I say, you only come on TikTok for beg. She there on TikTok, you know, but what she say, we Jamaicans are just beggars on TikTok. But them a foreign we do TikTok, them no beg. Them no beg, you know. But we are only beggar. But you not see that. Me see when I come and say, yes, star, hang him. Star, hang him, you know, star, hang him. Star, hang him, star, hang him, all the way as Jamaican. Because I know me one day on TikTok and me, she say I beg and she not beg. The rest of we over here not beg, we not beg. We don't have some set of hypocrite to you. That's the way we there. Oh. I'm going with dog. I'm telling you this, sir. Enough things me come over here and gonna like I said me can't do. Or gonna like me an idiot. But if you're not gonna like you're an idiot, sometimes TikTok not work for you. Me can read alright, you know. But you can't gonna like you're too bright over this pussy clot, yeah. Me see things and look upon you and gonna like me no see it. The only thing me know me can do so good is pronounce some man name so good. Cause some man name mix with Patois and English. And some man type in a Patois and English too. But no mute nobody. I want to see what them a say. No mute nobody. Let me see what them a say first. And then you mute them. Yeah, we'll block them up. I want to see what them have to say first. I block them one that will say hot hook. I look up in that. Block them one that will say hot hook at school as that. I love the school pitting them thing, dog. I love them thing. But some of them get caught up on TikTok too. Some of them get caught up on the app. So then we follow some little caught up people we teach them, we tell them fuckery. You then get caught up with you. Then get caught up. And that's why I'm glad when I come on TikTok on talks. Like talk sound like a run sound like a fuck gimmick, sound like a fuck joke. Me just run. For me joke then when me run, for me joke then when me run I like some big people like sexual business joke. Like me love talk some out and other things. But me never run certain joke with people that for me joke them can look over. But none not understand that. For me joke them I like me that say alright, DJ like me that run like everyone hear me and DJ run sound joke. Like me that say girl, I even Candy me that say I want to hear nothing me like beer than they sitting there. Them they sitting there is a joke and then uno take you know and I run with it sound different way. I mean I say what this? Uno never used to do it, you know. Uno used to okay with whatever joke, you know, but I don't say go here, man.